Yes, yes, another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kudzimadzilo. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to take the bull by the horns. It's time to say it straight to the point and not to beat around the bush. No, say it straight to the point, not to beat around the bush. This is what I want to do right now. This is the background to my video. This is the background to my story. This is the background to what I want to say in this video right now. I went to Bulawayo in January to February 2025. Like I said in previous videos, 3 weeks back, that I went to Bulawayo in the Republic of Zimbabwe. Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city. I was there in January and February 2025 for 3 good weeks, 21 days. And I was staying at Prime Harris Hotel, Prime Harris Lodge in the main street, Bulawayo CBD. In the main street, Bulawayo CBD, I was there 3 good weeks, 21 days. And all my time, I was talking, chatting, discussing, interacting, socializing with Ndebele people of all ages, from different walks of life, from different backgrounds, and from different occupations or professions in their lives. They told me that, hey, welcome to Bulawayo, welcome to this city, welcome to this town of Bulawayo. But if you're thinking of a girl to marry, forget about these girls, forget about these ladies whom we have here in Bulawayo, the ladies or girls whom we have here in Bulawayo, forget about them. And my interest was so aroused. My interest was so aroused. I'm like, what? What are you saying, man? Guy, bruh, what are you saying? They told me that, these girls, they don't like marriage. They don't like marriage. No, they don't want it. They don't like it. That idea, that philosophy, that ideology is not captured in their minds or in their brains. At the back of their minds or at the back of their brains, that idea is not captured, is not encapsulated in their minds or brains as Ndebele girls or Ndebele ladies. So they told me in confidence, categorically speaking, that you have to look somewhere else. Maybe go back to Harare, to your capital city, Harare, and look among your Shona girls or among your Shona ladies. Maybe you can find one fit for you or perfect for you. Then you can go on with that plan to marry. Otherwise, in our town Bulawayo or city Bulawayo, among the Matebele land, forget about these girls, forget about these women, forget about these ladies. They don't like that idea. They are not subscribed to that idea. They are not sold into that idea. They are not given into that idea of marriage or marrying. What they want is just to be independent, enjoy their lives until to the point of their death. Then they say goodbye to this planet Earth. Say goodbye, we are done to this planet Earth. This is what they want. They like economic independence. They like social independence, social cultural independence, financial independence. Just to be independent, this is what they want. That's the idea that they love or want in their lives, independent, or to be to enjoy independence in whatever form. Personal independence, economic, financial, social, any type of independence. This is what they want. These Ndebele girls, these Ndebele ladies, or these Ndebele women. So, my people, I was talking to, discussing, socializing, interacting, mixing, mingling, and talking to in all my time in Bulawayo, 3 good weeks to 21 days. They told me, amen, we don't want to lie to you. We don't want to lie to you. No, forget about these girls. Look somewhere else. I'm like, what? Then I began to ask, what are your reasons in terms of what you're saying? In terms of your statements, what are your reasons why they don't like marriage? Said, maybe it's because of social factors. Like, all the men in Africa, some of them are poor. So if they get married, nobody will take good care of them. Nobody will look after them in a very good way, because most men in Africa, in Zimbabwe, they're not rich, they're poor, they're struggling, they're suffering their lives. So if they get married, it's going to be the same web of poverty, same sake of poverty. So they're scared to get married because nobody will take good care of them. Nobody will take good care of them when they get married. So maybe it's an issue of social economic factors, poverty, yeah, something to do with the quality of life, standard of living. So if they get married to maybe these poor guys, poor men, gonna be the same thing, and they're hoping for a better life, hoping for a big life, a large life. So the best which they've resorted to do is to just stay alone, live their lives alone, embrace their single time, their single days, and not fall into the trap of marriage. So I was given a lot of reasons. Another point was like, no, some they just like to be independent, just to be by themselves in their lives. They don't want a male voice over the top of their heads. They don't like that idea. To have a male voice, a male person, a male voice talking, giving orders, instructions over and above their heads. They don't like it. They want to be in charge of their lives. They want to lead their lives. So they don't subscribe to this idea of marriage. They don't want a male voice. They don't like it. They don't want. They want to be alone, be by themselves. So, I was so disturbed mentally, emotionally, psychologically. I was so disturbed at all these talks or revelations. I was very much disturbed. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but I was so disturbed by these statements and words from my people in Bulawayo. Then I said, okay, it's fine. I'll see what I can do. Thank you for your words. Thank you for your statements. Thank you for information. I'll see what I can do in terms of finding these girls. I'll see what I can do. Yeah, so this is the video coming to you uh, about what I hate in Bulawayo. That I know, Kudzi, Madziro. No, 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 no. Please forget about these girls. Of course, you are welcome to our city. You are welcome to our town, but these girls, forget about them. If you're thinking about marriage, forget about these girls. I'm like, okay, it's fine. So this is the video coming to you. Remember to pray. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And remember to drink water is health for your body. This is the video. The Bele girls, they don't like marriage. They don't like it. They don't want it. They don't need it. They don't subscribe to that idea. That idea is not captured in their brains, their minds. For whatever reason, for whatever purpose. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm signing out now. Sharp.